Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all keeping okay. Right, something a bit different in this one. A brand new mark for me. I'm on the mouth of the River Ebbw in Newport, South Wales. Just where it hits the mouth of the River Usk. It's what you call a confluence. We're pretty much on the Severn Estuary, so I'm looking forward to this. Should be quite interesting. High water is in around 3 hours time. 9.5 meters, which in old money for Newport is 11.2 because we had 1.7. A nice small tide should be ideal for this venue. The weather is a bit all over the shop. We've got a stiff southwesterly. We've had some nasty showers, so it's going to be a bit challenging, guys, but I'll give it my best shot and hopefully I can get a fish. Right, we're fishing. First cast. Had a bite then on the right hand rod, straight away. Nothing massive, you know, a couple of small taps. But good sign. Yeah, so I'm using 2 rods. On each rod I've got a 2-hook flapper rig with size 2 long shank hooks. In terms of bait, I've got ragworm, squid and mackerel. On the bottom hooks I'll just use straight ragworm, and on the top hooks I'll be using cocktail baits, rag and squid or rag and mackerel. Nice and simple. Go on son, go on. He's tapping away. If that bite develops, guys, I'll get back to you. Ah, not bad. A fish first cast, a little whiting. That was on the top hook on ragworm and squid. There he is. Oh well, my first fish at this new venue. That'll do. Pop the rod down. Little baby whiting. Oops. There he is. Right son, let's get you back in. He's gone. Right down rod, guys. I can't feel nothing. Yeah, I can't feel nothing on there. I think I'll pop the rod back down because I've only just cast that one out. Yeah, the water is pushing up now. Quite a good depth actually. So far there's been no rip, no current. Now usually when I fish on the tidal stretch of the River Usk next to the transporter bridge, I tend to use a 6-ounce grip weight or gripper, because you can get a nasty rip there, but so far here nothing at all. And I suspect you could scale things down, get away with like the tackle, you know. But yeah, she's pushing up now. Since that whiting, I've had a couple of small taps, but nothing major. It's a lovely spot though, in fairness. It's a shame it's so dark, you know, but we can have it all. I'm out fishing, job done. Sorry I couldn't film the bite then, guys, the camera was turned off. But this is what you call a corker of a flounder. It's huge. That took rag and mackerel. That's an absolute beast. Ooh, he's slippery. Look at that for a cracker. Right, I'm going to get him unhooked. What a flounder. Whew. A couple of videos ago I caught a cracker at the transporter bridge, but that one was even bigger. That must have been 1.5 pounds easily. I do love these winter flounder. I got a bit of a soft spot for the old flatfish, you know. But yeah, that's made my day. That has made my day. We're about an hour off high tide. Plenty of time yet. I'm getting quite a few small taps, but I think they're small whiting. But you never know, we could get another big flounder. That's the good thing about these tidal rivers, you never know what could turn up. Yeah, the left hand rod was tapping then. You know, only small, finicky bites. But plenty of time yet. Yeah, the old southwesterly is picked up now. It did calm down earlier, but it's back. Bit blowy now. All part of the winter fishing fun. Not far off high tide now, guys. We're about 10 minutes off. I got the old hood up because when the showers come along, they are nasty, you know. Just poured down then. That's why I can't film every bite, because when it rains, I put the camera away. Even though it's waterproof, you know, you're having to wipe the lens every 2 minutes and the footage looks rubbish. So even though I do try and film every bite, sometimes it's not possible. Yeah, it's gone a bit quiet now. Getting bites up until this point, but the last, I'd say 20 minutes, it's dipped off. Could be a big bass out there lurking, or another chunky flounder, couple of good whiting, possibly a codling, who knows? You never know. The tide is ebbing back now. She's on her way out. Very quiet now. I've not had a bite for an hour, I reckon. Usually when the tide turns, it picks up again, but that's not been the case so far. All of the action today, that was on the flood. I'll give this now another hour. I got plenty of bait left. There's loads of water in there, so that's no issue. And we'll see how we get on. If anybody's wondering, I parked in the car park at the Lighthouse Inn at St Bride's, and I've walked up. It's taken me about 25 minutes to get to the mark, but I don't mind a walk. Quite enjoy walking, me. With my job, I'm stuck on the laptop all day, so as far as I'm concerned, the more fresh air, the better. There may be a better way of accessing this mark, but that's the way that I know. Yeah, funny old weather. It's not bad now, actually. God, those showers earlier were they were nasty. One more fish now, that would be good, but if I don't, I don't. Last cast, guys, just rounding the rod. I packed my other one away and got another lovely flounder. Not as big as the last one. This one's probably, well, he's probably just about a pound. There we are. That was on straight ragworm. Lovely fish. Right, I'm gonna pop him back in. How about that for a bit of last cast action? I literally packed all my stuff up. I had one rod out, I turned around, bang, 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 and a cracking flounder. He just swam off lovely, nicely hooked, so no probs. We're losing the light, we're losing the water, so I'm gonna head back to the car park now. But a new mark for me. I've had a few bites, I've had a few fish, job done. It's been very enjoyable, so I can't complain. Guys, as always, thanks for watching. It's mega appreciated. Any questions or comments you have, pop them below and I'll get back to you. Until the next one, look after yourselves, take care, all the best.